Hi everyone, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do 4 and 6 figure grid references. So let's get straight into the video. Here we go. The first rule we need to completely remember is along the corridor and up the stairs, which is highlighted on the top right. So we'll be using that rule to get us through the whole equation. Right, the first one is going to be an example, not a question that you guys need to answer. I'm just going to show you how to do it. It's going to be nice and easy because it's going to be a 4-figure grid reference, not a 6 one yet, because that's a bit trickier and that you'll be knowing how to do that later on. So, for the 4-figure grid reference, we need to identify the symbol on our map. So, hospital is like an addition sign, and that would be here, okay? So, the first thing we need to do is go along the corridor, which is the rule up here. Okay, so we're going to go along the corridor, and it's 24, because it's in the corridor of 24. So, 24 is being placed there. So then, we need to go up the stairs, which will be here, because these are going up, and these are classed as stairs in grid references. So the addition signs at 16, so 16 is being placed there. So along the corridor and up the stairs for the 4-figure grid references, and that's our example. Next we're going to do a question. So we're doing the next one, which is site of battle, and first of all we need to identify it on our map here. So it's about here, right there. So we need to go along the corridor, which is 24, and we write 24 in there. And then we go up the stairs, and it's in 17. So you just write 17 there. And the 4-figure grid reference is really easy because all you need to do is go along the corridor and up the stairs, because it's just like that. Now we're on to the more of a trickier question, which is a 6-figure grid references. So, first of all, we need to find out what the 4-figure grid references are before we do anything else, because this is going to make our question a bit easier for us. So, we're going to look for the traffic lights, which is basically a dot that's been coloured in black. So, that would be about here. And as you can see, it's not in the middle. So, we're going to find out why it's not in the middle later. Okay, so we're going to go along the corridor, which is 25, so we put 25 here. Think of this as a decimal, the last one as a decimal, but it's not a decimal. So we're going to go up the stairs, 15, so we write 15 there, and it's got a point after basically. So I just want you to think of one box as 10 steps and along the corridor. So it would be 10 vertically and horizontally, okay? This bit might be a bit tricky, but here we go. So you need to think of each box as 10, 10, 10, 10 vertically and horizontally, okay? So to work out the decimal, we need to do this. So think of this box as 10. That is all 10 steps. This is like round in the middle, so how about that would be there? That would be 5. So we just write 5 in there. So again, we need to go along the corridor for the left ones. So this is 15, remember that's 15. You go 15 along the corridor up to your traffic light. That's 10 again. See how much it is? That would be about 5 there. So we've done the first one, it's just as easy as that. Next, we have the telephone box. So, our next question is about the telephone box, okay, which is about here. So, first of all, rule along the corridor, going along the corridor, stopping at 27, and you're going to write 27 in our first 2 boxes, and then just like leave a decimal place, yeah? Then we're going up the stairs. That's in like the 17 box, isn't it? And then we're just going to write 17 up there with a point following it if you want. to work out the decimal, remember we think of this box as 10, and this, the top is 10 and the bottom is 1, okay? So the telephone box is about, like I would say that would be 8. And we'll remember, we're looking at the middle of the image symbol. So that's about in the middle of the telephone box. So on a scale 1 to 10, I think that would be about 8. So we're going to write 8 there. And for the telephone box, yeah, go along this corridor, then up the stairs, and that will be 8 again. And that is really how easy 6-figure grid references are. I hope you understood the video, and if you have any comments, please leave them below. And here's a quick little reminder for you if you need it. This might help. So you need to identify the symbol on the map, go along the corridor, which is on the bottom left, go up the stairs, think of the box as 10 vertically and horizontally. The corridor is going to have like 2 digits, so is the stairs, and then go how far up it is in that exact box, which is equivalent to 10 steps. Hope that helped. Have a good day. Bye.